decided let's make some Mustang content, since that's what I said this challenge is about to revolve around. So today I'm about to go do a POV drive. So right now the car is warming up for a second because it's been sitting in here. I haven't driven it in a little bit. So basically gonna just go around, do a quick little POV. Probably not gonna talk too much in this video, really just show off the car. I'll probably roll down the windows for a little bit of it too. Just kind of show you, I guess, how it drives. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's not gonna be like insane. I might do a couple little pulls and stuff, but that's about it. But if you guys enjoy this video, if you could please give it a like. If you could subscribe to my channel, that definitely helps out a lot too. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs, so we'll see. I'm trying to grind these videos. I only have a couple more weeks, but I'm trying, so we'll see. All right, thanks. Little walk around first, because this thing is looking great today. She cleaned today. All right, let's get into this little POV. Such a nice day out today. Just had to take out the car. Get a couple downshifts for you guys. It's quiet right now. Just wait till we get some pipes on this thing. Ooh, okay. my favorite thing. Ooh. If you're not smiling when you're driving your car, you're doing something wrong. That or you just got the wrong car. Man, I just want to send it. Alright, I'm just hitting this quick little U-turn. I'm about to just go back the same way I came. I hope you guys are enjoying this still. I know not too much is going on, but it's just fun to take the car out. It's just like too tempting not to want to like get on it. Like, I never really drive this car, so every time I'm in it, I just want to like beat the crap out of it. Oh, there's another Mustang brother. Probably V6. Ooh. Ew. But yeah, super fun. Too bad if I get in trouble, that won't be too good. I know some of you guys are probably like, man, this video's boring. Trust me, the good stuff's coming, I promise. Especially like when I get back, the good stuff is really gonna be coming, because I'm gonna start buying some parts and we're gonna start getting this build going. But right now, there's not too much I can do. It's starting to get cold, I'm about to leave soon. So there's no point of like putting a lot of money into it and like really trying to get anything out there like that, because I'd rather just be able to like work on it. But we're gonna talk in another video about like my plans with this car. I'm gonna try to do everything in like a phase, like different phases. So I'll make a video about like what I'm gonna do for phase 1 and then kind of go from there. But I'm hoping people will actually really like this build. I hope so. Now, a lot of people don't love the 3-valve. A lot of people, like, when I tell them I got a 3-valve, they're like, eh, you got a 3-valve? You shouldn't have got that. But like I said, it has a special place in my heart. So we're gonna build the crap out of this car because it just deserves it. This thing's gonna be fun when it's done. All right, let's give a couple downshifts and ascend her a little bit, because I know that's what the people want. Give her one more. I'll keep the window shut. Let's go. I shouldn't have done that on the curve. I'll give it one more. Once we get over this curve, I'll drop a gear and we're gonna send it a little bit. Not gonna do anything crazy because I'm not trying to get in trouble, and this car really does need new tires, which I'll be getting when I come back. There's just no point of buying them now because it's gonna be sitting for months. So, all right, here we go. This is literally my favorite part of the whole neighborhood. I love going down here and just letting it go. I'm not really gonna show the neighborhood too much, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. If you want to see more of this Mustang, I'm definitely gonna do like a lot more interesting videos on this car. So if you want to see that, please subscribe to my channel. Definitely helps me out. Engaging with this video definitely helps me out. I'm really still trying to hit that 1,000 subs like I said earlier, so help me make that happen. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up like I said. I hope you guys stay tuned for this build because I hope it's going to be crazy. We'll see.